relevant categories as you grow and dominate new space. This will allow you to build a massive blog over time. Remember that design is also important for making a good first impression of visitor. There are 20 blogs design inspiration to help you learn how to build blog. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your post. Don't forget a disclaimer. You can monetize your blog by placing ads in your posts, in your post. Sponsored sponsor post can help you make money from a specific brand. This is popular among review bloggers. Bloggers can also sell digital or physical products on their websites. You can also use a blog to build a personal brand that help you to get speaking gigs, television deals, or big contracts for clients. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9 to 5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you are a writer, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market this skill and find clients online who are willing to pay you apply them. There are a never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer too. For example, the freelancer writes can apply for a job on a specific online writing job boards, but also on general freelancer website like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and all the others. If you find that your skill can be directly used to create an income stream, you can try monetizing other transferable skill you may have. To make money online as a freelancer, you need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That means doing some free work with some mid-tier brands on to start. Once you create a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more personal emails or application you fill up, the more likely you will be get response back. Create an app. If you are not a developer, you are probably looking at the money making idea and failing at a big stuff. For, Fortunately, though, you can hire someone with programming skill to build app for you. Sites like Factory connect you to with plenty of apps developers with who are open to work with turn their vision into reality. All you have to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify the audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it's come to making money on your app, your best bet will be at the Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem having a free app can help you make more than a paid app, with a free app you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attach higher volume of people, it will be easier for your upsell them. Become a writer with a growing interest in content marketing. More and more companies are looking for writers who can fill their web properties with great content. This script to